we are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words that many mispronounce in English. So if you're learning English, make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. How do you say them? The top word is said as strength. You can essentially ignore the G. It doesn't matter at all for the pronunciation. It is silent. Strength. The TH sound is obviously done with your tongue between your teeth, as in strength, strength. The bottom word is said rather similarly, except that there is an L sound at the beginning, as in length, length, strength, and length. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names in English that many mispronounce words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.